I have to get in the middle of this? Because if I do, puppies are going to scatter.
Dory, go back out there and be a badass.
Yeah, Dory.
Yeah, come on, Dory.
You're acting like a Billy badass, taking on everybody. Now I come out and you run.
Look, Scrappy and Dory are fully charged.
They don't need help with that.
Oh, dog play. Oh, they're gonna get into it too. Oh, the puppies play. No, Dory, get off of me. I am not your own personal post.
If you live here, you're my post.
Yeah.
Garbage.
It's funny, Astro tries to play, and then it's like he backs off right away because you're afraid he'll go get hurt.
Maybe he's afraid. He might be afraid he's going to hurt hers.
You are a pussy. Astro.
No, that was Cosmo. Dory comes around the couch. What, are all three of you gonna go? All four of you gonna go back there? I don't think so. Oh, Scrappy's gonna try again. Dory keeps going by the couch and all the dogs are trying to get her. Asher's like, oh, it's Uncle Aaron. My dogs are lovers, not fighters. Dory! Come on, everybody, come over here and play.